In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Lenovo support. This process is straightforward and designed to help you get the assistance you need efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open the Lenovo support website. You can do this by typing in the URL into your browser. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface that is easy to navigate. This is the central hub for all Lenovo support resources. It's important to use this official site to ensure you receive accurate information and assistance. You will notice various options available for support, making it easier to find what you need. Next, enter your device's serial number. If you do not have it handy, you can click on the option that says Detect Product. Alternatively, you can manually select your product from the list provided. This step is crucial because it allows Lenovo to identify your specific device and tailor their support to your needs. Once you have provided this information, you will be guided to the relevant support options for your device. Now open the Contact Us section of the website. This is typically found at the top of the page or in the main menu. Here you will find various support categories. Each category is designed to address different issues you might encounter with your Lenovo device. By navigating to this section, you ensure you are on the right path to getting the help you need. From there, choose the type of support you need. You will see options such as technical support, warranty and repairs, order support, and sales support. Selecting the correct category is important because it directs you to the appropriate resources. This helps streamline your experience and saves you time by connecting you to the right team. Next, select an available contact method. You can choose from live chat, phone, or submit a service request. Each option has its own advantages. Live chat is great for quick questions, while phone support may be better for more complex issues. Submitting a service request can be helpful if you prefer written communication. This flexibility allows you to choose what works best for you. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to connect with Lenovo support. Depending on the method you selected, you may need to provide additional information. This could include details about your device or the nature of your issue. Following these instructions closely ensures that your query is handled promptly and accurately. Now, let's move on to contacting by phone or chat. Start by opening the Lenovo Contact Us page once again. This will direct you to the contact options specific to your region. Make sure to select your country or region for the best experience. This is crucial because support options vary by location and you want to ensure you are viewing the correct information. Choose between technical support, order support, or sales support based on your needs. Once selected, you will see relevant contact details, including available phone numbers and chat hours. This information is essential as it helps you know when you can reach out for help. Look for the contact options that suit your preferences. Finally, contact Lenovo using your preferred method. Whether you decide to call or chat, having your serial number, model number, or IMEI ready will expedite the process. This information helps Lenovo verify your device's warranty and provides faster assistance. If you cannot identify your device, remember you can always use the Detect Product feature on their website. By following these steps, you can effectively reach Lenovo support. This will help you resolve any issues quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get the support you need.